The following marine statement is, for the following, waters from Cape Shearwater, Washington to Cape Falconer from 10 to 60 nautical miles. The National Weather Service in Portland has issued a special marine warning for waters from Cape Shearwater, Washington to Cape Falconer from 10 to 60 nautical miles until 4:30 a.m. At 3:56 a.m., a shower capable of producing waterspouts was located 29 nautical miles northwest of Columbia River Buoy 29, moving northeast at 15 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, waterspouts can create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The shower will remain over mainly open waters. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station KEC 91.